Hey everybody, it's Tori and I'm bringing you another story time. Today we're going to be reading Skeleton Hiccups by Margery, Cuyler. Get us in the mood for Halloween since it's right around the corner. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. I hate the hiccups. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Played with Ghost. Man, he cannot get rid of his hiccups. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Eat some sugar." Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Drink some water upside down. Still has hiccups. Ghost made a face. Said boo to Skeleton. Still has them. But nothing worked. The hiccup stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror. Held it up. Skeleton screamed. The hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. No more. They jumped away. Hooray! Wouldn't you know it, all it took was his own reflection to scare away all those hiccups to go away. Who would have thought? Have you ever had really bad hiccups that you couldn't get to go away? What did you do? I've drank a lot of water to try to get my hiccups to go away. And sometimes that doesn't work. So when that doesn't work, I hold my breath. I just take a deep breath in. And then I hold my breath for as long as I can. And then I just exhale. And I do that as many times as I feel like I need. Sometimes it takes quite a few times. Sometimes I have to go back and forth between that and the drinking of water. But yeah, let me know what you have to do to get rid of hiccups. I hope you guys have a nice week, and I hope you're just as excited for Halloween as I am. I'll see you guys next week.